In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Cloudflare domain to Squarespace quickly and easily. First, log into your Squarespace account and navigate to Settings. Then select Domain. Click Use a domain I own and type in your Cloudflare domain exactly as it appears. Then click Connect Domain. Next, select Connect using DNS records. Squarespace will provide the DNS details you need, usually A records, CNAME, and sometimes TXT or MX records. Be sure to take a note or screenshot of these records as they are essential. Now, log into your Cloudflare account and update your DNS settings to match what Squarespace provided. This may involve replacing existing records or adding new ones. Once complete, your domain is linked, but keep in mind DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours to fully propagate. And that's it. Your Cloudflare domain is now connected to Squarespace, and your website will be live once the changes take effect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick web tutorials.